Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to create a flip text effect in Adobe Illustrator. First, type a letter F, select the font, then copy it and change the color. Send this text to the back. Next, create a blending option by selecting these two texts. Go to Object, then Blend, and choose Make. Change the blending options with these specific steps. Double-click and select the right side F text, then move it to the left side to align with the other F. Now, use the free transform tool to move it left and then upward. Next, I'll demonstrate how to change the font and utilize this text function. Copy it. Move the front font to the right side and then select to change the letter I. Perform a similar change for the backside font. Return it to its previous position. Now copy it again. To repeat this, press Ctrl+D for Windows. Change the letters as we did previously. Align the flip word and resize it using Alt+ mouse movement. Now let's create the same flip effect for a shape, similarly to the text. Draw a rectangular shape, copy it, move and place it on the right side and change its color. Then go to Arrange and Bring to Front. Select these two rectangles, then go to Object, Blend, and Make. Change the blending options with specific steps. Double-click and select the right side rectangular shape, then move it to the left side to align with the other shape. Now, use the free transform tool to move it left and then upward. Copy it, change the color for the front and back sides. Select the flip text and group it. Send the shape to the back. Draw a rectangular shape for the background, change its color, and send it to the back. Resize the shape and try to place it in the middle. Change background color. Adjust the background shape. Now it's perfect. Thank you for watching my video. For more tips and tutorials, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Don't forget to like, comment, and share.